Yeah. That he didn't slide on that one.
You need to stand turn the corner. Let Dad see. Right over here to Dad. Let Dad see. Let Dad see. He's all snort. Oh, there went a claw. Shit,
Oh, that cracks me up. Oh, yep, there's one of the claws. He's such a good boy, Dozer.
Dad see. Bring it here. Bring it to Dad. Where's your toy, bud?
He's all, I don't know. I got a claw right here, though.
Bud, your butt's raw.
Bud. Did Mama get you a toy today, huh?
Toy out, bud.
He's all, okay, if you won't give me the toy, I'll take the claw.
Let Dad see. Where's your toy?